Hey, welcome Math Gurus. This video is going to focus on creating a histogram using a set of data. Comes directly from TEK 6.12a. So in our first example and only example is going to be points scored in a football game. There's 21 different numbers. None of them are in order. So the first thing I have to do is put them in ascending order. That means least to greatest. So they're here in order. I'm going to create a frequency table. So I'm seeing that my smallest number is 6 and my biggest number is 35. So from 0 to 9 is my first interval, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. My next one will be 10 to 19. 1, 2, 3. My next interval is 20 to 29. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last but not least is 4 in between 30 to 39. Okay, so I'm going to create my histogram. And so it looks very similar to a bar graph. The only the intervals are continuous. It goes straight from 0 to 330 to 39. It's not like it's 0 to 9 and then the next one is 20 to 30. It's continuous. There's no breaks, I guess you could say. So for my x-axis, I'm going to call that the points. And then my y-axis would be frequency. So I'm going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, and that's getting kind of messy. Let me clean this up. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. That's enough. So my first, we decided that it was 6, so it would come up here. And I'm just going to put 0 to 9. For the next bar, it's 10 to 19, and there's only 3. So I just eyeballed it halfway between 2 and 4. The next one is 20 to 29, and I have 8. So it'll go up just a little higher. Last but not least will give me 30 to 39. Now the downside that I see from a histogram is it doesn't tell you in a histogram how many. It just says 6 between 0 and 9, 3 between 10 and 19. So you don't know. That is one thing. Like a dot plot would be, it would tell you exactly. I'm hoping that this gives you a better understanding of histograms.